I don't even think it's big brain math things. Even circled it before you left on Friday. So it says when A is -3, what's bigger? Well, when A is -3, C is -20. It doesn't tell me B, but I got to figure it out. Here's how you do it. 4 times A minus 5. So 4 times -3. 4 times -3 is -12 minus another 5 is -17. So what's bigger? -5 or -17 or -20? 17 is bigger. So B is your answer. When C is 21, what is the value of A? All right, well, when C is 21, the value of A is 5. It tells you. What is the value of B that goes with this value of A? So if I plug in 5 here, what do you get? So 4 times 5 minus 5. 15. When A is 6, is B or C greater? Well, when B is 6, 4 times 6 minus 5. 4 times 6 minus 5. 19. So we don't know what C is when this is 6. Do you see a pattern there? It's not on there, right? So it would be a complete guess. So actually you don't have enough information to even answer this, because you can't figure out what C is. We don't know the equation. There's not enough information in the chart. What values of A do we know that C is greater than B? Well, let's just plug these in quick. We're going to plug in these A values up on top and see what we get for B. So 4 times -3 minus 5, we already did that one. We listed it right here. 4 times 0 minus 5. 4 times 2 minus 5. 4 times 5 minus 5. 4 times 10 minus 5. 4 times 12. 48 minus 5. All right. So when do we know that C is bigger than B? Right here, when A is 0. Here they're the same. Here C is bigger again, when A is 5. And here C is bigger again, when A is 12. So 3 times that happens. Question number 2, which one doesn't work? 3 divided by which number is not going to work? Well, 3 divided by 0, you can't divide by 0. So 4. Add 4 to the input, then divide this value by 3. These two actually give you the same input. So which one would make it 0 divided by the number? 4 plus a -4 would give me 0. And 3 subtracted from 3 would give me 0. So 3 and 1 are the numbers that don't work. Question 3. Didn't tell you much on this one other than Elena ran 7.5 miles per hour. Now if I take that divided by 60, it's 0.125 miles per minute. This one's in miles per minute as well. And it does ask me to graph Elena as well. So 0.125, 0.25, what are these going by? This would be 0.5. Just add 0.125 each time. Something like that. All right, that's Elena. Now you should be able to see who finished the mile first. All right, Lynn finished it in 9 minutes. Elena finished it in 8 minutes. So who's quicker? Elena is correct. For these models, is distance a function of time, or the opposite is true? Our distance that we run is based on our time. Longer I run, farther I'll go. And question number 4, review. So I asked you to distribute the negative sign first. Negative times a negative is a positive. Negative times a 1 is a negative 1. Get your x's on the same side. I'm going to add 14x to both sides. I'm going to add 1. And I'm going to divide by 16. So I actually get a fraction here, 10 over 16. You can write that as a decimal. You can reduce it if you want. Either one is fine.